Now, effective internal linking lets you do a couple of things, right? It helps your visitors dive deeper into your interior pages where your valuable content is, right? When you go to your homepage typically doesn't have each of your services that you offer as a deep dive, doesn't have your contact us form, your request a code form, your products, but it sort of leads people into the other pages. And having effective internal links can have the following benefits. It can lower bounce rates, right? People coming in and leaving without looking at a second page. It can create higher pages per session, right? People, if they have good internal links, they follow the link to a second or third or fourth page. So internal links drive people deeper into your site. And if people are looking at more than one page of your website, they tend to spend more time on the site. And those are all positive ranking factors, right? Think about it. Fewer bounce rates mean people like your site. Higher pages per session mean people are sticking around. We call it stickiness. And more time on site means they're just enjoying what they see and finding and spending more time there. All of those are positive ranking influences and overall improve the user experience and helps increase conversions. And Ahrefs found that well-structured internal linking can increase the crawl rate by up to 15%, ensuring deeper pages are more frequently crawled. So deeper pages, we mean sometimes you got to hit 2 or 3 different clicks to get to somewhere, right? They're not kind of right off the main menu. Maybe it's off the main menu, and then on that page, you click another page, and that goes you to a third page, which you couldn't navigate to. You have to actually hit the link, and that would might be called a deep link. And so those deeper pages can get crawled more frequently, more readily if you've got a good internal linking structure. Now, they can also direct the spiders to crawl deeper into your website. Just like it helps the users get deeper, it helps the spiders get deeper into your website, and that helps Google better understand which are the most important pages on your website. They actually have a tool in Google Search Console that shows you how many links they find on those pages. And so it can allow the spiders to find your pages through more than one window of your website, and it can improve your SEO efforts. And this is a quote from Google. This is what Google said. Paying more attention to the anchor text that's used for internal links can help users and Google navigate your site better. That's a direct quote from a Google document, okay? So if it, and again, with internal links, it's one of the few things you've got complete control over. You can control what the link is, where it is on the page, what the text is in the link, where the link goes. You have full control over that, and not enough people do it.